In this video, we will talking about how to configure active-active high availability. High availability setup could help in ensuring minimal downtime, minimal interruption, minimal risk, and minimal loss. High availability has divided into two modes, which is active-active and active standby. Here are the basic network topology. There are more than two devices are working simultaneously. Controller device will distribute configuration to all nodes and session details are synced between the nodes. For active-active deployment, the IAM must be in bridge mode deployment. Log into controller device. Go to System, High Availability. In the High Availability page, it will show you two deployment modes details. In this case we will choose for active-active deployment. Choose the active-active deployment mode, then click on the settings. In here you can set the device name, role of the device and some basic settings of high availability. Enter the device name. Then choose the role as controller. Then set the shared secret for node's device to join high availability. You may enable the alarm option by clicking the alarm option link, then choose the high availability event. In this case we will not enable the high availability event. Then click on the commit button to save the configurations. It will require to re-log in when you change the high availability settings. Log into node device. Go to System, High Availability. Choose the active-active deployment mode, then click on the Settings button. Enter the device name. Then choose the role as node. On basic settings, set controller host IP, and shared secret. The alarm option same as previous, we will not enable the alarm option. Lastly, click on the commit button to save the configuration. It will prompt to ask you make sure the configuration of node are same with controller. After you make sure the configuration are consistent, you can check the checkbox and click on OK button. After that you will need to re-log into device. After login to device, go to System, High Availability to check the high availability status. Below are precautions when configuring high availability. Deployment mode and firmware version of both devices must be identical. The active-active high availability only support bridge mode deployment. Configurations in node device cannot be modified, it can only be synchronized from controller device to node device. Only controller device can join CMC, node's device cannot join CMC.